So I've been making YouTube videos for over 7 years now. During my time, I have experimented with many different types of content, from animations to commentary to game dev to sketches, just so many different types of content. And through that experimentation, I have learned there is one meta on YouTube that is not being taken advantage of. That if you just invested some time into learning this one thing, you would be a fucking millionaire. I am not joking. This will work for you if you are willing to put the time in. And that thing is speaking another language as a race that you are not. See, if you are black or white or even Hispanic or Middle Eastern or anything that's not Asian, and you speak fucking Korean or Chinese or Japanese, and you go into one of the corresponding restaurants and you start speaking that shit while you're recording yourself, you will get a lot of fucking views. You will get more views than you know what to do with. And all it takes is like a couple months of learning that language. I promise you, if you spend 6 months realistically just learning fucking Mandarin as a white person for like 30 minutes a day, by the end of those 6 months, you should know how to say like, where's the bathroom? Is this chicken and rice? Just some fucking basic shit. You don't even know anything too crazy. You take that information, right? You learn that shit, and you take your iPhone and you go to a fucking Chinese restaurant and you pull up and you start ordering in English. You're like, oh, what's that? And they're like, oh, this fucking dumb white person. That's a fucking chicken. Halfway through, as you're recording yourself, you start saying some shit in Chinese. Can I get extra soy sauce on the side? They're gonna be like, what? Nah, I didn't hear that shit. Then you're gonna say, by the way, is there a credit card charge for credit card? And they're gonna be like, oh my God, this motherfucking white boy is speaking Chinese and I'm Chinese and he's speaking to me, and you are gonna get so many views. This is a cheat code. This is a fucking GTA online money glitch in real life. I swear to God. You don't even need to speak it well. They're like, oh, you're learning, and you're like, yeah, I just know a little bit. Bro, that's all you need. You just need like these fucking phrases that you know people are gonna ask you, and then you just need to know like how to say, oh, I can only speak it a little bit. That's all you need. Like, forget spending 6 months learning how to fucking code to get a good job, like to get a job that pays you like $70K a year. Just spend 6 months learning fucking Mandarin. So please enjoy that online money making tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video, and have a great fucking day.